Welcome back, guys. Y'all already know who is behind the camera. That's a must, aka Smart the King Test Cake. Today we're heading to a car show. We have a car show going on, so stick around, guys. I appreciate any love I be getting from y'all, which is like, subscribing, and what? Sharing my page. I appreciate that from y'all. So look, ain't no much talking. Let's go. Yeah, guys, as you can see, we're at the car show right now. Today is kind of slow from what I heard. Like they usually have like 20 up to 20 cars. See, today we don't have that many cars. We had some cars, but some of them gone. Some of them done leaving. You know, so it's at 9 a.m. in the morning. You know, usually you get those cars around here.